1. Building a business. As a new business that wants to get the word out about your impressive offerings, you can use social media to build an interested audience. Share valuable content and establish a brand voice that resonates with your target consumers. Social media is also an excellent place for more established businesses to grow and sell through marketing and advertising. 2. Establishing authority. By sharing expert content and building relationships with individuals and other brands on social media, you'll start building trust and authority. More and more people will spread the word about your great business and content. 3. Driving traffic to your website. If one of your goals for social media is to increase inbound traffic, you can share helpful content and advertise to send people straight to your website. By sharing more valuable content, you can boost traffic, leads, and sales. Through advertising, you can run campaigns that target your current audience or those with aligning goals. 4. Learning and education. By students, we don't just mean the high schoolers and college kids. Anyone can be a student. There's no limit to our knowledge with all the online courses, content, and complimentary webinars people offer today. Social media is a great place for students to find mentors and training programs to learn new skills and take steps toward future career goals. It's also a great place for businesses to advertise their services, software, and programs. On YouTube, you can find amazing tutorials to hone your skills for free. The sky's the limit when it comes to online learning opportunities today. 5. Motivating young people. There's no end to the number of successful businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers on social media. This can be inspiring for everyone, but especially students and young professionals with big dreams and goals.